so today we're going to be reviewing the CDG Converse Play Collab sneakers. I have 6 pairs, 6 different styles. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of them. When I was wanting to buy these sneakers, I of course ran to YouTube because I wanted to see it. I only came across 2 videos and no one had all of the shoes. So we're going to go ahead and help the next person, and you'll get to see all 6 and make your decision. Also going to tell you guys where I got them, of course review the sneakers, and drop a few coupon and discount codes. So go ahead and tune in.
I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss and
Alright, so this is going to be the first pair we're going to review. I got it in a men's 6, women's 8. That is my true size when it comes to Converse. I already own a few pair, and I tend to be between a 6 and an 8. My actual sneaker size, I'm like a boys 5.5, 6, women's 7.5, 8. It really just depends. So, of course, you have your box. It just says the CDG on it. Lets you know what's going to be inside. Their logo, of course. Then inside you have your invoice. These ones I copped from Dover Street Market, New York. These ones were $150. That's the standard price. I believe when they first dropped, they were like $125, $135. Shoe is a few years old, so now the standard that I came across everywhere was $150. Not too bad. So here you have your shoe. Converse logo on the side, the hidden heart on the opposite side. Of course, you have your CDG tags on it, just, you know, branded, of course. Then the shoe itself is like this cute beige nude color. It's not white at all. Only thing that is white on the shoe is the back stripe, and of course where the Converse symbol is at. I think this one and the white pair, well, the off-white high top pair, are my favorite. It's just such a classic look, and I feel like it can definitely be dressed up or dressed down. So again, let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up of both. Ooh, wait a minute. So here's how it looks inside the box. Then of course go ahead and take these both out. So side by side, here is your sneaker. Again, this is the hidden heart. I love this pair, so nice. It is like a platform sneaker. It's super comfortable. I did try it on. I actually have room in this, which is my typical. So you can go, if you're a half size, I would say go up. If you are your regular size, then you can get your true size. I just like to have space, so I always go up a size. Yeah, here you go. Really cute. I have an outfit already in mind for this. I'm actually waiting for it to get here. I'm going to pair it with a Pretty Little Thing outfit, and I'll probably do that in the next video. Very durable too. So compared to like your classic Converse, these ones, it just feels better and it feels more expensive. So that is where the price increase comes from. And I was told that it's because it's from the 70s, and I guess Converse were just higher quality back in the 70s. Alright, so the next 2 pairs I got from Farfetch. If you're not familiar, Farfetch is like a boutique or a spot for luxury designer brands. It'll kind of just find it for you from different vendors in different locations. They can set their own pricing, so sometimes you'll get it cheaper, sometimes it might be more expensive. It's kind of like the same thing as shopping on StockX, for example. So yeah, my next 2 pairs are from, like I said, Farfetch. So inside of the box is just the Farfetch invoice. These ones in here are the multi-heart high top and the off-white. I paid $153 for these. That's what they had it listed as. And these ones got shipped from a place called Club Mono. I'm not sure about it. I know it's overseas somewhere. So that's what it was. And again, they're off-white, black stripe in the back this time, and they're still keeping it consistent with the Converse logo in white. I love the color of this shoe. I feel like this is going to be a timeless sneaker that I am definitely going to wear a lot. It just looks so fancy, like beautiful shoe. Go ahead and pull the second one out for you guys. See them side by side. So these are the multi-heart. You have 6 hearts on one side, 3 on the other. Very beautiful. Like I said, I just love this shoe. Same thing, I got a men's 6, a women's 8. In the UK, I learned the hard way. It's still going to be a size 6. The size chart on Farfetch said that it was going to be a size 5 in the US. So that's what I initially ordered, and I got it, and it fit because, again, I can fit a 5 or a 6 in Converse, but it was not like they said a 6 in the US. So a 5 UK is still a 5 in the US. If you were a 6 in the US and you decide to order from there, it's still going to be a size 6. So you don't have the same confusion or the same troubles that I had when I caught my shoes. So these ones were $153, and then I got a second pair as well, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So I got a second pair from Farfetch in that order. It was the black. It's the black, a size 6 as well. Again, just another Farfetch invoice. These ones were shipped from Dover Street, but it was Dover Street, UK. That was the difference. And what I got was the Hidden Heart low and the black white stripe on the back, keeping it consistent. Half of the Hidden Heart on one side, other side is plain, and then of course you have your CDG tag inside. These ones were only $135. Some of them were $150 or $153. Again, they can set their own pricing because they get it from different boutiques for you, and they had a 15% off coupon. So for both of these sneakers, I paid $244 and I believe 80 cents. So for both of these, I paid $244.80, which was a steal compared to the $300 that I would have paid had I bought them individually from Dover Street, like I could have, but Farfetch had the coupon, Dover Street did not. So if you sign up, I will drop my link below. You can sign up and get 15% off your first purchase. You don't necessarily have to buy these shoes. They like literally carry all designer brands. I've gotten some Gucci socks off of there. I got these sneakers, and I got another order of these sneakers, and it's a couple of things I have saved in my cart. I want some DG sneakers, so I am saving for that now. What I am noticing though, so I got a comparison for you guys, is the low tops do not have, like all the other pairs do, the Converse logo. So it's only the CDG symbol, which I do like. It just keeps it, I don't know, it just looks like it's an expensive shoe. And I know people are like into the hype of that, so it just looks good compared to a standard pair of Converse sneakers. So symbol, no symbol. Again, sign up for the 15% off. I will drop my code. You can put my name and Toria. It'll give you 15% off. I'll still put the link below.
Alright, sorry to pause it, but I feel like if you're watching the video and you've made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you. It's a better time to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Right down there, just like it. And hit that subscribe button because I have way more videos dropping. There's a huge quarantine haul coming soon. I'm waiting on a few more packages that are stuck at customs. So yeah, go ahead and like it, subscribe, stay tuned to me, and appreciate you so much. Let's finish the video.
So the next two are going to be from Farfetch as well. This is what I was saying when I said I got the wrong size. So what it says, if you can see it here, men's 5, women's 7. It was UK sizing because again, Farfetch is based in the UK. So according to their size chart, this should have been, it says that if you order it, a UK 5 is equivalent to a 6 men's in the US. So I ordered the UK 5, got it, and was shocked that it was a size 5 in the US as well. Reached out to their customer service. They were super nice about it. They just, you know, said it was an honest mistake, asked if I wanted to return it. They can come and pick it up. Now, I had already had issues with Saks when I first ordered these sneakers. Saks, I ordered a size 6. They sent me a size 8. And then the shoe was out of stock. And I think they're on back order to like June or July. So at this point, I just wanted the shoe. I was like, you know, it's a size 5. I can fit it. I put it on. It just doesn't give me any extra room. But again, I can fit a size 5. So I just kept it. This one is the multi-heart low sneakers in the white or the off-white color. These cost me $135. They were shipped from a place called Club Mono 21 or Club 21 Mono. Sorry, I'm not familiar with it, honestly. And then, so I told you guys I have a referral code for them to get the discount You can use my 15% code if you never shopped there before, but you can also just sign up for their email list, like their email or subscribe to their alert list, and you'll get a 10% coupon. So that's what I did. I ordered 2. I'm going to show you guys the second pair in a moment, but this is the multi-heart off-white low. Again, 6 hearts on one side, 3 on the opposite side, no Converse logo on here, and then the black stripes in the back. Second pair from there was the high top, and I'm just throwing it everywhere. It's the high top in the hidden heart. Again, you have the white Converse logo, black stripe in the back, and then a half a heart on each side. These ones were shipped from Dover Street Market, New York. This is how I learned about Dover Street and was able to order my other pair directly from Dover Street, because when I ordered from Farfetch, it tells you where they ship it from or where they find it at. This pair cost $153, if I'm not mistaken. Where's that receipt at? So yeah, the highs were $150, I'm sorry, and the lows were $135. I got both for $256.50 because I did use the 10% off code. On the second order, I got 15% off, kind of finessed the system there, and referred myself using my other email address and got the 15% discount. So this is this. Again, size 6, men's, women's 8. Love this shoe. Between this and the black, they're my favorite pairs. These are the ones I think I'm going to get the most wear out of, the most use out of. I seen an article that said that this was the most iconic sneaker of the decade. I kind of have to agree with it. I feel like a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, I'm still going to be wearing these shoes. I'm still going to keep them in great condition, and I'm still going to love this shoe. Last pair up on the shopping block is the high, well no, I'm sorry, this is the low pair of the hidden heart. These are from Nordstrom. Yeah, Nordstrom had these. I didn't want to keep ordering from Farfetch because I honestly hate waiting. So they do DHL, but it still takes about 3 to 5 days. Nordstrom got these to me within 3 days. Only thing that was a con is that Nordstrom does not take coupons, so I did pay full price. They were $150. These shoes sell out a lot, but I do believe they're still available on Nordstrom right now if you're interested in getting these. Again, black stripe in the back, no Converse logo, only the CDG logo on it, and the soles just say Converse, of course. And then inside it again has the Converse play with the CDG symbol. And that pretty much wraps up my review of all 6. I'll give you a side by side. So if you want to get the low, you have the single heart, or you have so the single heart or the hidden heart is what it's actually called, or you can get the multi-heart. You'll have 6 and then 3. Out of these, which pair are you guys feeling best? I have to say the bottom. That just single heart is just so to the point, so fancy. I'll compare the blacks and the white high tops for you. So out of these, which ones are you guys feeling best? For me, it's a tie. I just love, honestly, both of these shoes. I do say it's going to probably be my favorite style. So
And before we go, don't forget to check out my lash business, Aji Lash Co. Find us on Instagram and Facebook at Aji Lash Co. Website, ajilashco.com. I will be dropping a Girl Boss vlog business series soon. It's in the works, so I'll be giving you guys free game on how to start your own business, find a vendor, create a website, all of that. So follow me.